Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Soul service light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition on without starting the engine. This means pressing the start button once without your foot on the brake. Next, find the trip button, usually located on your steering wheel or near the instrument cluster. This button is crucial for navigating the display. Now, with the ignition on, press the trip button repeatedly. You'll see various information like odometer readings and fuel economy. Keep pressing until you see the service required message displayed on your instrument cluster. This message is your cue that it's time to perform the reset, indicating your vehicle's maintenance reminder is active. With the service required message showing, press and hold that same trip button for several seconds. You'll notice the service interval, often displayed as a number of miles or months, will start to flash. Once it begins flashing, release the button briefly. Then, quickly press and hold the trip button one more time to confirm the reset. After holding the button the second time, the service interval will reset to a new, higher value, typically around 10,000 miles or 12 months. This change confirms that the service light has been successfully reset. You can then turn off your vehicle's ignition. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Kia Soul's service reminder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.